Planets are not just big rocks in space, they are full of strange and amazing secrets. Let's explore the widest fact about our cosmic neighbors. First, let's take a look at our star, the Sun. Did you know that the Sun makes up 99.8% of the total mass of the solar system? It's so massive that if the Sun were the size of a front door, Earth will be only as small as a marble. Next, let's talk about the closest planet to the Sun, Mercury. Did you know that a day on Mercury is longer than its year? A single day on Mercury lasts 176 Earth days, while a year on Mercury takes only 88 Earth days. And when it comes to temperature, Mercury experiences extreme conditions with scorching high of 430 degrees Celsius or 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and freezing low of minus 180 degrees Celsius or minus 292 degrees Fahrenheit at night. Speaking of extreme temperatures, Venus is actually the hottest planet in the solar system. With an average surface temperature of 465 degrees Celsius or 869 degrees Fahrenheit, that's about 15 times hotter than an average summer day on Earth. Venus also has an incredibly thick atmosphere, so thick that if you stood on the surface, the pressure would feel like being 900 meters or 3,000 feet underwater. Now, let's talk about the only planet known to support life, Earth. Earth has one moon which is slowly drifting away at a rate of 3.8 cm or 1.5 inches per year. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered in water, but only 3% of it is fresh water. Next up is Mars, the planet scientists believe may have once been habitable. Billions of years ago, Mars had rivers, lakes, and possibly even ocean. Moving on to Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is so huge that 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. The famous Great Red Spot on Jupiter's surface is actually a massive storm twice the size of Earth that's been raging for over 300 years. Now, let's take a look at the prettiest planet, Saturn. Saturn's rings are made of ice and rock, with piece ranging from tiny dust particles to mountain-sized chunks. Fun fact, Saturn is the only planet less dense than water, which means that if you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float. Saturn isn't the only planet with strange physics. Uranus has a very unusual atmosphere. It contains hydrogen sulfide, the same gas that gives rotten eggs their awful smell. And believe it or not, due to extreme pressure deep in its atmosphere, it's actually rain diamonds on Uranus. Last but not least, let's talk about Neptune. Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of 2,100 km per hour or 1,300 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound. And there you have it, some amazing fun facts about every planet in our solar system. Thank you for watching and we hope you enjoyed this short animation.